Hi guys, today I'm be sharpening my chainsaw uh chains, and I got two chainsaw chains that need it today. Um I have my new got this about a week ago, and finally gonna get to use it on some more chains. So let's try it. First I'm gonna come back in a minute, but I gotta take off the chains off my chainsaws first, and then I'll be right back. Okay, I'm back. I got one of the chains here now off of my chain. It is pretty dull. I just felt it. It's not very sharp. So now we're gonna sharpen it. And on this one, it has this. Let me bring it a little closer here so you can see it. Hopefully you'll be able to. Let me here. Whoa, sorry guys. There, that way you're able to see it. If I can get my thing to. There we go. Now you can hopefully see it. And on this one, there's this little flap here. Can't really see it too well. Let me bring it up a little bit. Let me bring the camera up a little bit so that way you can all see. There. And then over some. Let me bring you up some more. Now you can see it, I hope. Yeah, you can see it now. And this thing here, this is just a guard, I guess you could say. I don't know. But when the chain is on there, on this one is an adjustable angle. I got the angle set already. But when it moves like that when you spin the chain. When you spin the chain, it moves up and down, and when you pass the tooth, it clicks, letting you know that you're at the tooth, which is right there. And then I always pull back just to make sure it's touching on the other end, and then really that's all there is to it. And then when you sharpen it, you just pull down on it. First, I gotta make sure it's okay. So I tighten this little lever over here, which will push the chain forward a little bit. Gotta make it do it just makes contact with the disc, just barely making contact. Which is right there. So now it is ready to be sharpened. But first, I always find a master link, which is two teeth facing the same direction. And then I always start there so that way I know where to end. But if you can't find it or you don't feel like looking for it, you can also take and use, which is what I'm just going to do because I don't really want to look for it. Take a magic marker, aka Sharpie, and just mark the tooth you're starting off on with the Sharpie. And then now I know that's the tooth I'm starting with. And now I know, like I said, that's the tooth I'm starting with. So now I can turn the machine on. And this trigger up here is just for stop the chain from being able to move once I get it to where it needs to be, which is right where it is now. And now I'm going to stop the chain from being able to move and turn it on and get to sharpening. And then move down the line for next tooth. Oh, well, there's the master link. then we're just gonna, oh yeah, that's sharpening them alright. Don't do what I'm doing. Feeling the tooth while it's running. Way dangerous. That tooth took a little extra because it's chipped. It's gonna need a little more. Try that. There we go. Okay. Back to new. And there's the tooth I started with. So now we cut it off. Ooh. Stretching back. And we loosen up the knob down here. Spin the chain the other way to the other 25-degree mark. And tighten it back down. And then let's go ahead and then use my magic marker again. Mark the tooth I started with. And then repeat the same process. Same exact thing. take a break. Mark it just I'm just double checking the angle because I think I might have it ever so slightly off. No, it's right, okay. Now we can continue. There's my mark. I know I'm getting close. Oh, okay, there's the master, okay. Alright, we're done. Yeah, they're very sharp now. We are done with this chain. Now, pause y'all again, get the other chain. I'll be right back. Okay, I'm back. I got the other chain. Now, this chain's a little bit different. Smaller teeth, and it's only a 16-inch chain. The other one was off 20-inch. This one's only 16-inch, but it's the same thing. At least it should be. We are about to find out. Yeah, I think that angle's yeah. That angle's the exact same thing. Yep, exact same thing. It's the exact same. Yep, alright. Now we gotta mark the chain I'm starting with. Tooth, I meant. So I know where I started. Now, we sharpen it. Now this chain is very dull because I had accidentally hit concrete with it one day. Or a rock, I meant. So it's, well, either a rock or a piece of metal, it was something, not sure which. It takes a tiny bit more sharpening, but still gonna get it razor sharp, I'm sure. Yep. Oh, that tooth chipped. back to the tooth I started with. So it's the same thing. Loosen it up. Loosen up the thing, flip it over to the other angle, same angle. This one is 25 as well. But your chains can be maybe different depending on what kind of chain you have and all that. All that stuff. So now that we're on this side, we gotta mark the tooth again. And sharpen all the way until we get back to it. Whoa. Alright, there we go. That's the tooth to start with. There we go, 2 chains in 18 minutes with that thing. Instead of doing it by hand, always took me forever. But I did that for probably 5 years since I started using chainsaws, and I'm 15 now. So yeah, I've been doing it by hand for a while. Just got this week go. It makes it much easier. Thanks for watching. Make sure to like and subscribe. See y'all later.